Hello, my name is Fernando Valencia. I want to show my blog. I, I read, I explain you about my paragraph. Okay, importance of English as a second language. English beyond being a language. English is a professional and cognitive advantage that facilitates access to knowledge of the all kings. English teachers are passionate about teaching this language bilingual, and the medium is necessary to hide the multiple cognitive, social affective cultures, multiple cognitive, social affective cultures, and labor projections. Abilities offered by the use of the language English and the use of Spanish in the handling of information and and the use of the technology tool that supports the acquisition and control of the different knowledge. At present, the range of humanity in aspects such as science, communication, technologies, and the commercialization of products. They require the guidance of a man with the use of two or more languages, English being the most important because it's the universal language for excellence. As leaders of education, every day we face new change and experience in our pedagogic work which fears as we grade certifications and professional and personal level. This is my paragraph, my two paragraphs. In the other part, we have we can see the phonetic translation. Look at the phonetic translation. Thank you for this video.